The problem of arraying objects along a curve is that you are going to create distortion onto the mesh, just like this. But there's a quick fix for it. So if I just go and delete these cubes here, and then I'm going to bring in a second object, so I'm just going to use a plane. And now we can just select the first object and then the second one, and then go Control and P and set parent to the object like that. So now let's select the second object and then go to the modifier section here and go add modifier, and we can bring in an array modifier. So now I'm just going to offset this X factor and bring up the count a little bit. And let's also bring in a curve modifier. So go down to the form and then curve. And here we can just use this eyedropper tool and select the curve like that. So now the little trick here is to jump into this object properties and then go down to instancing, and here we can change this to faces like that. So now we can see that we have our cubes and they are equally proportioned on every side, but we also have this plane. So let's just go and hide them with just deselecting the viewport and also the render like that. And now if we jump back into the array, we can bring up the count, and there we go. So now we have beautiful equally sized cubes on every size, and life is great. So like and subscribe and all of that jazz if you can. Have a great day and peace out.